Don't worry Stitch, I think I know where this fast food place is. This address should lead us there any minutes. Uh-oh, I think my stomach can't wait for a few minutes. What are we gonna do Stitch? Hey look, it's French fry. He even bought us donuts. I guess we can forget about that fast food place. Let's eat.